Tip of the week. So this week, the tip that I have is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is crazy, and had I invested in it back years ago when I should have, I'd probably be a millionaire right now. So let me show you just over the last year how Bitcoin has grown. Now, if you don't understand Bitcoin, don't worry about it. You don't understand electricity, but you still use it every single day. So if you don't understand it, it's no big deal. What you need to understand is that it is in demand and it's growing as to how much it's in demand. And look how much it's grown over just the last year. It has gone up 10 times the amount. So look at this. Back a year ago, it was right around, let's see if I can get this to, it's not doing it now, but there we go. Go down and you can see that it was right around $700. Right now it's up around 73.81 right in there. Well, 71.70 at the moment. This goes up and down all the time. Now, since last year, it has grown 893%. So it wasn't 10 times, but it was only 893% it has gone up. If you could get that in a bank account, that would be, or even stocks and bonds. That's just crazy growth. And if you look at it, we can even look at it just 1 month. In 1 month, it's grown 48%. So I did an average, and I averaged it out that it would grow about. It grew over the last year. It grew about 23% per month, 22% right in there. And so if it keeps going up every month by about 23%. Now you can see it goes up and down and up and down and up and down. It does that all month long. It even does it all day long. So here's a daily shot of it. So this is where it's at daily. And we can even go by the hour. And you can see how it kind of bounces around even by the hour. But you check out the general growth of it, and is generally shooting up. And that's the cool thing about it. Now you can go in and you can look more into Bitcoin, what's involved with it and what it is. But 7-8 years ago, whenever it came out, it's been about that long. It's probably been longer than that. But I heard about it about 7 or 8 years ago. And had I invested in it then, like I said, if I would have stuck like $1,000 in it then, I'd be a millionaire right now. Because of the growth that it's taken from there. Now, if it continues to grow the way it is right now, if you take $100 and you put it in there and you just leave it in there, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Never. And the same with gambling. Never bet more than you're willing to lose. But if you take even just $100 and you put it in there and you leave it in there for a year, if it continues the growth that it has right now, then within a year that $100 will be about $1,000. If you leave that in there for another year, my estimates are that if you leave that $1,000 in there after a year, and you go one more year after that, you'll have about $9,000 in there. So I can see that it's continuing to grow. It might hit a spike. It might hit a point where it starts to go down again. But the more that people learn about it, the more that people want to buy it, the more it becomes popular, and that's when it continues to grow and grow and grow. And that's why it's going up, is because more people are learning about it, more people are wanting to buy it, and that's what's causing the price to go up. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents worth. I don't understand it completely. I don't understand investments completely. Take it for what it's worth. This is not meant to be any legal advice or any accounting advice, but that's just my tip of the week, that I'm actually following Bitcoin to see what happens here. I have a little bit of money invested in there, and like I said, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Anyway, have a great week, and we will see you at the top.